Saying you know how to use AI nowadays is kind of like putting proficient at Microsoft Word on your resume. It's no longer a differentiator, right? It's a baseline expectation.
Most people use AI like a magic 8-ball. That's why they're stuck.
Beginning with the most important skill to develop, the cockpit rule. Put simply, this is a mental model for deciding when to delegate to AI, when to collaborate with it, and when to avoid it entirely. Think of it like a pilot in the cockpit. At cruising altitude on a clear day, you engage autopilot and let the plane fly itself.
Top performers treat AI like a cockpit. Clear skies, autopilot. Handed the task, trust the output. Turbulence, collaborate, you steer. AI co-pilots, emergency, full manual. AI will crash it. The skill isn't using AI. It's knowing which mode to pick.
During takeoff and landing, you and the systems work together because there are more variables. And in an emergency where sensors fail, you take over full manual control. The exact same logic applies to AI. Autopilot mode is when you hand the task to AI with clear instructions and trust the output with minimal review. The AI handles everything on its own. Collaboration mode is where you and AI iterate together through multiple rounds until the output meets your standard. Neither you nor AI could have produced the
Sorting tasks is step 1. Without a system behind it, you're still winging it.
Next up, build the rails. Put simply, now that AI has become so capable, your competitive advantage is no longer doing the work. It's designing the process so AI can do it for you. Think of it like this. A bullet train needs a lot of heavy lifting up front to lay the tracks, right? But once those rails are in place, the train glides over them at over 300 kilometers per hour with almost no friction.
Your edge isn't doing the work. It's designing the process so AI does it for you. Bullet train logic. Heavy lifting up front to lay the rails. Then everything runs full speed. Zero friction. Harvard proved it. Structured AI users crushed freestylers by 19 percentage points. Build the system once, profit forever.
For our American friends, that's around 200 hamburgers per unit of freedom. It's the same thing with AI. Designing a workflow is like laying the tracks. It's tedious at first, but once the system is in place, AI can just do its thing. Here's a simple example. I used to have a single prompt to polish the subject line and body content for my newsletters, and the output was fine. But when I created a separate prompt optimized just for the subject lines,
you've got the system, but systems deliver data. Data alone won't open wallets.
in the world of AI, information is a commodity, and so the real skill is turning that information into something people actually care about. Put simply, if you can turn data into a story that moves people, you're safe. If you just pass along the data, you're replaceable. So how do we actually get better at this? I'm still working on this myself, so I recommend checking out Philip Hum's storytelling video and Vin Jiang's content.
Information is free now. The person who gets paid turns data into a story that moves people. Use ABT. And here's where we are, but here's the conflict. Therefore, here's the resolution. That's what makes clients lean in. That's what makes them pay. That's what makes you irreplaceable.
He's an absolute monster at storytelling. That said, I've been practicing two frameworks since my management consulting days. First, the and, but, therefore, ABT framework developed by Randy Olson.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
Here's how it works. Your manager asks, hey, how's the launch going? Instead of listing facts, you answer, we're on track and adoption is rising, but one client paused spending due to technical issues.
You've got the system, you've got the story. One thing can still destroy everything.
Segue into skill number 4, manual override. This is about intentionally choosing not to use AI for certain tasks so that your critical thinking doesn't atrophy. Put simply, if you let AI write every email, outline every strategy, and summarize every meeting, you gradually lose the ability to synthesize information yourself.
Let AI write every email, outline every strategy, summarize every meeting, your critical thinking atrophies. Weightlifting belt every rep, your core disappears. Fix, think first. Prompt second, form your own opinion before asking AI. Then challenge AI's answer like a cross-examination. Your brain is the one asset AI can't replace, only if you keep using it.
Think of it like this. A weightlifting belt helps you lift heavier, right? But if you wear it for every single rep, your stabilizer muscles, like your abs, weaken. After a year, you're only strong with a belt on. And the science backs this up. Researchers at McGill found physical changes in the brains of drivers who relied heavily on GPS that decreased their ability to navigate on their own.
SAFe, sort, architect, frame, exercise. Master these 4 and AI works for you. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.